Hey guys, welcome back. In this, we will be trying to solve the problem delete nodes from linked list present in array. This is the daily problem on Leetcode of 1st November. All right. So let's move on to how we can solve this. So the question pretty much states that you have a linked list. Okay, they will give you a list called nums. Now this nums will hold the numbers that you must delete, and you have to output the linked list with the numbers deleted. Okay. So like say for example, you have this particular linked list with you, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Nums, you have 1, 2, 3 which are there inside nums, which basically means that you have to delete them from the linked list. So you should output only from the head 4 onwards. So your output will be 4, 5. All right. As simple as that. And there is no guarantee or like surety that the numbers to be deleted will be sequential. It can also be like this. If you check example number 2, the nums are not sequential and they're recurring as well, right? So basically here nums is 1, which basically means we should delete every occurrence of 1. So once you delete every occurrence of 1, we should output this particular node as your head. All right. So there are multiple ways to solve this. I'll be showing you the easiest way. So the standard way what people would do is within this array itself, they would move about or like they would move on to delete the occurrence of nums within the same linked list array. Now that can be a bit hard. It can also be a bit confusing as they are not continuous and they can be at any particular spot. So the best way to do it, as far as I've seen, is just to create a new linked list, okay, and to just add the undeleted nodes into your new linked list, okay. So I'll take this example number 2 itself so you guys can understand what I'm saying. So we'll create a new linked list. So a new linked list will always have a false head, okay, because you're making a new one. So from here, we'll go through our original linked list using a while loop. All right. Now we'll go to 1. We will check if this 1 is there inside nums or not. It is there, right? So there is no need to add it to our answer linked list. Then we'll go to 2. We'll check if 2 is there inside our nums or not. It is not there, which means you don't have to delete 2. So we can add 2 inside our answer linked list. All right. After that, we'll again go to 1. 1 is there in nums, so it has to be deleted. We can't add it. Then we'll go to 2. We can add 2. Then again, we'll go to 1. Can't add 1. Then we'll add 2 again at the end. All right. So this is basically how it works. So when you output the answer, don't just output the head of answer because the first node is a false node, right? We'll output from head.next. We'll output from here. So your output will be 2, 2, 2. That's exactly the answer what we want, right? So instead of making the change in the same array, we made the changes inside a new array called the answer array, and we outputted the head dot next of that answer. So yeah, that's basically how you solve it. Let's see how we can code this out. Okay, so the first thing is we have to create a new answer array. So I'll just do answer of head will be new list node, right? So we're making a new linked list right now. Now after that, we have to uh, create a current variable which will be used for looping through the linked list. All right. So in the beginning, it will be at head itself. All right. So now we made our new answer linked list. Okay. Now we have to iterate through our main linked list. So I'll just do car equal to head and while car is not none. Okay. So while the car is not none, we'll keep on going forward. Now if car dot val not in nums. All right. Basically, if it doesn't have to be deleted, then we can directly add it to our answer array. Right. So answer car.next will be equal to list node. We can first create a new node. Then after that, we can add our value inside of it. So answer car.next.val. All right. Is equal to car.val. As simple as that. Okay. Now we have to move the current pointer of our answer forward, right, for the next loop. So we can just do answer car is equal to answer cur.next. As simple as that. All right. Now at the end, we need our main while loop to also go forward. So I'll just do cur equal to cur.next. All right. Now at the end, as I said, we are not going to return answer of cur, I mean answer of head, we'll be returning answer of head dot next because our first node is a false node. All right. Now this should work, as you can see. Let's check it out. Okay, let's submit. Okay, here's one problem. As you can see, the time limit has been exceeded. Now, the reason for that is this nums inside which we are checking if a number has to be deleted or not. It is actually a list. Okay, an average search time in a list is O of n. Now, what we can do to solve that is we can just convert it into a set. All right, because set's average searching time is O of 1. And there is no issue in converting it into a set because we know for sure that numbers cannot be duplicated inside this. Right. So now if you check it out, it should work. Since it's a set, it should be more efficient. And there you go, it works. And it's not very much efficient, but this is the most straightforward way in which we can solve it. All right. Yeah. So like that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, do leave them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.